What's up YouTube, how y'all doing? Today we are doing an actual video on how to make money on Facebook Marketplace, and I'm going to go dive deep, tell y'all step by step how I did it and how you can do it too. So without further ado, this is the first step that you got to take. Okay, so first step is you got to log in. Okay, make sure you have Facebook Marketplace available, which is right here in the middle at the top. Then you will come over here to the left side of the screen, guys. Left side of the screen, click create listing. Now you can choose from any of these options. Okay, we're not going to do vehicle sales today. We're not doing home for sale or rent. We're not doing creating multiple listings. We're only doing one item for sale. Okay, so that's what you do. All right, so we're going to choose what our item is. Now we're going to find something random online. I'll choose what I sold the first time, which is a bicycle. So we're just going to act like this is your bike, so you'll have the file already on your thing, but I don't want to go through my photos. So we're going to choose a bike. I'm going to type in used bike. Okay, now you don't have to do this because you'll just be taking a photo from wherever, putting it in your computer, and then just uploading it. But since we're doing it this way, this is how we're gonna do it. So just imagine this is the photo, okay? Right? So this is on Cincinnati Craigslist. Now this is also how you can do fix and flips, okay? When it comes to products and all that. So we're gonna look for, remember I told you, price low, sale high. So we're gonna just say maximum 30 bucks. Okay, apply. All right, now this is only for these purposes only. Okay, so we found something really cheap. All right, this bike right here is 25 bucks. Bang, we just gonna act like this is the bike that's ours. Okay, so then I'm gonna choose the location. I'm gonna put downloads and hit save. All right, okay, so once you do that, then you'll go right over here. Okay, now it's going to say add multiple photos. You can add more than one. Right now we're just doing one photo. Okay, so first you want to add your photo. Okay, add your photo. So I'm gonna go to downloads where I was just at and go there, hit open. All right, bang. Okay, so now we have our photo. All right, so this is where Chat GPT, y'all see where I'm at. I'm on the left side of the screen. Okay, if you want to add more photos, you can. Right now we're just pretending, you know, XYZ. All right, so this is the title. So we're gonna copy this. We're gonna copy, and then we're going to go to Chat GPT. Now this is where Chat GPT helped me. Okay, so we're going to give it a prompt as such. The prompt is create me a Facebook SEO title for a used product titled, and then we're gonna paste that in, and we're gonna hit bango wang yang yang yang. Okay, y'all see I hit enter basically, but don't hit enter when you on here. You gotta, y'all see my, I don't know if y'all don't see my mouse, but I'm hovering over where it says this little thing right here, this little arrow. Click that. Okay, so now we copy. All right, then we go over here and we put it in the title, copy paste. Then we'll ask how much if we sold. Okay, so how much should I sell it for if I want to make a profit? I sold it for no, not I sold it for, but I bought it for $25. Bang. Okay, bang. Okay, so it'll tell you the information. Cost of bike 25, repair 15, so 40, and then it says profit goal 30%, so $12. So you want to sell it for 52 bucks. Okay, so $52. Then if you don't know the category, so then you'll put what category should I place it in for maximum ROI. Okay, bang. All right, so okay, all right, so we're gonna choose the number one category, bikes and cycling. So let's see if we can find bikes and cycling. So category, what did we say? So what I'm gonna do is try to copy this and put it in Facebook and see if it lets me. Okay, bikes and cycling, and then I'll do used good condition, and this is where you put the description. You don't even have to do the description. Give me a short brief description of the bike and perks, I guess. Okay, so boom, bow, bow. Okay, so then you will copy this and then paste it right here. Okay, so we gotta see why is it not giving us the next. So let's see what's next. So we don't want to boost. I always usually hide it from my friends and stuff like that. So now they have a different type of category, so I'm going to pick bicycle or cycling. So I chose cycling. You'll hit next, and then you could choose local pickup. I usually choose local pickup only because that's the best way. You can get your money up front. When they meet you, you don't have to worry about anything crazy. Okay, so you can see the preview, everything what it says, you know, whoop-de-woo. Then I would choose public meetup. I don't do door drop-offs or door pickups. Then you hit next, right? Then you will choose one of these if you wanted to. Now I'm not about to publish this, y'all, because this is just for dummy purposes. But if y'all want more tips and tricks like this, make sure y'all hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. I will do more of these, and this is how you make money on Facebook Marketplace in your local area. And if you want me to show y'all how to do it abroad, I can, but it'll be a lot of stuff to do with that when it comes to taxes and stuff like that. So I try to tell people, do it in your local area only. All right. Until next time, I'll holler at y'all. Peace.